Hi, welcome to ParqEx. Today I'll demonstrate how you can make your parking space available for sharing with other community members. First, I'll cover how to log into the ParqEx app. After that, I'll cover listing your parking space, making it available for other community members to rent and use. I will also briefly cover on some advanced settings you can use to restrict the availability of your parking space, for example, to weekends only, weekdays only, or even black out certain days that you do not wish to have other people park in your space. So to get started, make sure you've downloaded the ParqEx app from one of the app stores on your smart mobile device. You can also access the ParqEx app from any internet browser by going to app.parqex.com. Once you're there, click on Login, enter in your username and password. Your username is your email address and the password is what you set. Then click on Login. And once you're logged in, from the menu, go to the owner side of the tab. So click on the owner till it turns this orange color. And then go to Manage My Parking. Select your property. Select the spot that you want to make available. As you can see, this particular spot is available from May 14th to open-ended. You can edit the spot and change its availability. So you can modify the valid from to whatever date you want it to be. So let's say you want to change it to June 1st. You can change it to June 1st over here. And when it says open-ended, it means there is no end date and the spot will be available from June 1st to forever. If you want to change that, you click Edit, you uncheck this box so that it becomes a calendar control enabled, and then you can change it to whatever date you want. So let's say I want to change it to June 18th. I'm going to select June 18th and I'm going to confirm. So this is what's going to make it available only from June 1st to June 18th. After that, I'm going to just click Save and Publish, and I'm done. All right, now let's say you wanted to change the availability of your parking space to, let's say, weekends only, weekdays only, or let's say there was a particular weekend you did not want your space to be made available. To do that, you would again find the spot that you want to change its availability of, go to the listing, click Edit Listing, and this time you're going to go to Advanced Pricing and Availability Settings. Please realize these settings are only applicable for this duration. So these settings will apply from June 1st to June 18th only. So you're going to click on this, and let's say, so in June, you wanted your spot to be not available on Saturday and Sunday, the 6th and the 7th. You click blackout and you can click save. If you wanted your spot only to be available on weekdays all day, you can do that. If you wanted it available only between certain times, 1 p.m. to midnight, restrict availability to these hours only, you can click save there. So there are a lot of settings here that you can do to enhance your listing or restrict your listing. If you need help with this, please feel free to reach out to us. All right, one last thing. Whenever you've made these changes, don't forget to click on Save and Publish. If at any given time you don't want your parking space available at all, you can always come back here and click Unpublish. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this video and appreciate your support.